and welcome back to my channel if you are a subscriber. But if you are new to my channel, my name is Blessing Iroha. I am your go-to guide for everything Canva. So if you've ever struggled with adding captions to your videos manually, guess what? Canva just made it super easy. So in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to use Canva's brand new caption feature to automatically generate and style captions for your videos. Whether you are a content creator, educator, or a business owner, captions are a game changer for accessibility and engagement. And Canva's tool is here to save you tons of time. So grab your favorite video project and let's dive right into creating stunning captions with Canva. Let's go. So for this tutorial, I'll be using an Instagram reel. So let's select an Instagram reel to demonstrate caption. So to start this tutorial, to start this demonstration, we need to upload a video that contains a very clear speech. So you need to ensure that your video is fully uploaded and it has a very clear speech. So I have a video generated with AI. I'll just paste it here. So here is the video I'll be using for this demonstration. Then to access the caption tool, you need to navigate to the text tab on the side panel, which is here. Let me scroll up. So you navigate to the text tab. So here you have the text tab, and then you will see caption right there. So we'll click on caption, and we have our video here already selected, and then click on generate captions. Done. So it is so simple. Now this text here is also editable. The text that has been generated, you can edit it. Let me take this video up so we can have access to our text. So here we have the text. So this text, like I said, is editable. You can change the color. Actually, see, assuming you have a video recording and then the text that AI generated is incorrect, you can actually edit it. But in our own case, it is very correct. So there's no need to edit. So what we can do is to change the text effect. So we can use a different color for the text effect. I can change this to something different. We can also reduce transparency, increase transparency, reduce spread, increase the spread, reduce roundness, increase the roundness. So depending on what you want for your text. So it is completely editable. So like I mentioned when I started this video, this is a game changer because rather than manually transcribing your audio or your video, with Canva you can generate it with ease. So just go upload your video, go to text, access Canva captions, and then generate the caption for your video, and that's it. So this is it for this tutorial. I hope to see you in my next tutorial. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. And if you like this video, also give it a thumbs up. And I hope to see you in my next tutorial. Bye.